Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Today we're here in Ridgeland Hills in Silang, Cavite, just 5 minutes away from Nuvali, Calax, and the newly built or being constructed na SMU Le Premier. We're here today just to tour you around this being constructed na bungalow. So if you've been looking for a bungalow property, this might be the one that you're looking for. This is very nice. I'm excited to tour you around this one because marami po naghahanap ng bungalow. Very rare po siya. So as you can see, ang lot area po nito is 210 square meters and a floor area of 200 or estimated 255 square meters. Being constructed, right now it's split level. So bungalow po siya. Yung ibaba po niya, this is a carport which can fit your 2 cars or 2 mid-size SUVs and your sedan. And dito rin po sa ating carport, kasyang-kasya po yung meron po tayong ramp going up. This is a PWD ramp. Nandyan po siya, so hindi na ako makakalapit kasi being constructed siya. And dito naman po sa ating other side, this is the steps going up to the house. So let me tour you around. Kindly comment down below if you've been looking for a bungalow. So this might be the sign that you're looking for. So akyat tayo. So currently, as you can see, property is almost 75 to 80% finished. Matatapos po siya by April or May. So, nandito po tayo sa property. Video ko lang mabilis. Okay lang. Tuloy ka lang, foreman. Hello, video ka. Ayan, so kitang-kita nyo naman, sobrang nagtatrabaho sila. Minamadali nila para matapos yung property. They're doing the ceiling already. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman. And just imagine, ang ganda po pala ng view dito sa Ridgeland Hills 3, no? Sobrang presko, sobrang lakas ng hangin, ang lapit sa Nuvali. Malapit din po siya going to Tagaytay. And then these are windows of corner for the bungalow. This will be your living area. And then dun bantay yung ating dining area. So, ikutan natin siya. So, lakad lang tayo ng konti. Yan, so ito yung PVC finish natin, sabi ni Foreman. Yan yung ginagawa. Ang ganda, oh. Diba? So, modern design yung loob ng bahay na Foreman. Ayan, so ginagawa na nila, sinusukat na nila, ini-install na nila yan. And this is your dining area. Just imagine, no, ito yung view nyo. Ang ganda ng view nyo. And then tapos dito kayo kakain, no? Sobrang sarap naman yan. Parang bakasyon ka araw-araw. And then dito naman po will be one of the bedrooms. Okay, itong bedroom 1 natin, meron siyang dalawang corner window para ma-utilize niya yung view nung labas natin. By the way, ang install po dito are tinted mirrors para hindi po kayo kita sa labas coming from the inside. So, kayo lang po yung nakakita ng tao sa labas. So, this is a good size. Kasya na po siguro yung semi-double bed or double bed and a cabinet. So, this is your common toilet and bath. Ayan. Maganda rin yung size niya. Maluwag. And dito po yung ating kitchen area. Napakaluwag po ng ating kitchen area. So if you're looking for a bungalow for the longest time, ito na yung chance na makabili or makahanap ng isang bungalow kasi bihirang-bihira na po magkaroon ng bungalow. Gusto ko sanang ipakita yung masters pero kasi hindi ako makakaakyat kasi wala pa siya agdan. Ginagawa pa lang siya. So dito muna tayo sa pangalawang bedroom, no? Bahay. So this is the second bedroom of the house. Again, very beautifully made. Nandyan po yung may isang malaking glass mirror dyan na talagang may-utilize mo yung view kasi ang ganda po talaga dito sa Ridgeland Hills. Talagang pang-retirement po siya. Or if you're the type, you're still young and you're working, your work is like medyo stressful, doctor, IT, or lawyer, gusto mo yung relax ka lang, so for sure pag dito ka umuwi, sobrang relax ka. Now, dito naman po, yung other side, this is the master's bedroom. And yung master's bedroom natin, hindi pa siya accessible kasi wala pa siyang stairs. So, siguro, abangan niyo po yung mga vlogs ko. In the next coming vlogs, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung master's bedroom kapag natapos na yung bahay. Pero, just to a peek, try natin silipin dito. Tignan natin kung, hindi natin masisilip. So, wala talagang chance. Pero if you would like to see or you want to see this property in the actual, you want to see the plans or you want to see the future finishes of this property, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. You can also go on our social media pages. We are on Facebook, Instagram. Hanapin nyo lang po ang Living This Out Properties. Kitang-kita naman po ang ganda ng design ng property. Oh. Sobrang elegante po siya. I can just imagine having afternoons or sitting down in my porch, enjoying the afternoon. Sobrang relax, sobrang sarap ng pakiramdam. Hinahangin-hangin pa nga po yung buhok ko. So if you were able to watch my previous video about Ridgeland Hills, malamang maintindihan niyo yung sinasabi ko. So once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next POV Tours. Bye guys!